Hi friends, this question is from test series 6, subject thermodynamics and topic psychometry. So in this question, a sample of moist air enters adiabatic saturation at 40 degrees centigrade and 1 bar and leave at 30 degrees centigrade and 1 bar. So we have to find out the relative humidity of sample of moist air. So initially the data of saturation pressure and enthalpy values at different temperature are already given in the table. So as it is that since the air leaves the adiabatic saturation as a saturated air, so phi 2 value is always 1. So phi 2 is 1, which is relative humidity at the leaving point. So we know that relative humidity is defined as the mass of vapor in a sample gas to the mass of vapor in the saturation condition. So this is actually we have to find out. If we reduce this in the form of pressure, then it is the partial pressure of vapor and divided by partial pressure of vapor at the saturation condition. So from here we can find out the value of PV at 2. So at the leaving condition, phi 2 is equal to PV2 divided by PVS. So PV2 is equal to phi 2, which value is 1, is equal to PVS, that is already given as 0.04241 bar. It is a saturation pressure at 30 degrees centigrade. Now if we see the relative humidity at point 2, so it's W2 is equal to, we can write it at 0.622 PV2 divided by PT minus PV2, because we know that the specific humidity is the function of partial pressure and this PT is the atmospheric pressure, which is almost constant in every point. So from here we can find out W2. So PV2 we already know that 0.04241 bar. So from here we can find out it as 0.0275 kg S2 of per kg of dry air. Okay, now if we have to find out the value of specific humidity at entering point, then it is Cp T2 minus T1 plus W2 into HFG2. It's a HFG2 is nothing but the Hg minus Hf at point 2. So that is here it is Hg1 minus Hf2. Okay, so from here we can find out this value as 0.0231 kg S2O of per kg dry air. Now with the help of these two values we can find out what is the initial partial pressure of vapor. So because we know that W1 is equal to 0.622 PV1 divided by PT minus PV1. So from here W1 is already we know that 0.0231. From here we can find out the value of PV1. So PV1 is equal to 0.03580 bar. Now if partial pressure of vapor at one point we know that, so from here we can find out the value of phi 1. Phi 1 means the relative humidity of the sample air, which we have to determine. So it is PV1 divided by PV1 at saturated point. So it is 0.03580 divided by saturation pressure at 40 degrees centigrade. That's value is 0.07375. So it is equal to around 0.48 48.54. So in percentage we can write it as 48.54%. So correct answer is 48.5%. So it's a 48.5%. Thank you.